Hi, it's 5:31 in the morning. I just washed my face and brushed my teeth. I'm logging into my thing. Had this on repeat. Anyway, so I just woke up. I woke up with a huge little guy right here. I'm dressed, but I don't really like my outfit. It's just these pants with this sweater, but I have like a crop top under. It's just the black one. But it's too cold to wear just a crop top with a sweater. I'm like, I don't know, my mirror's dirty, but my room's kind of clean, so that's cool. Like, I care, but I don't care, you know? Oh my god, no, I don't want it. If not, I'll just miss first period.
This is gonna take 2 years.
So I'm staying home first period because the ice just was, you know? I don't really care anyways because all we're doing is watching a play, so yeah. Hi, I just got to the post office with my mom. It's 2:10. And the kids get out in 20 minutes. I kind of want to go to the gas station and get some chips because sometimes we'll go to the gas station and get chips in Arizona or something. And I really want to get one right now. So I'll probably ask. I need to do my nails. But yeah, today was just a boring, normal day at school, kind of. Oh my god. Stuff. People. Yeah, I'm not that interesting. I didn't vlog at school today at all. And I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. So. Oh yeah, and I skipped first period because the ice wouldn't come off the window. My mom is probably gonna come. She's here. Yes! Wow, that doesn't look flattering in this lighting. My video's done after oh my god, I didn't even have to like not use my laptop because I was making my avocado toast, and now this is done and I'm so happy. Oh my god, so many people uploaded. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my, okay, I'm gonna turn off the TV, eat some avocado toast, upload my video. You already know. You already know. Let me turn off my light. Alright, I'll see you guys after I'm done uploading and eating and all that junk. I have homework like you would not believe. I'm not that concerned about working out. If I work out, then I do, and if I don't, then I don't. It's currently 5:17, not that late. I have 4 hours. I have to go to bed at 9. I know I complain about this a lot, but it's seriously annoying. Yeah, so I have homework, and I'm just sitting here watching YouTube videos like I don't have nothing to do. Like, I have nothing to do, when in reality, I have a lot to do. Not that, you know what, I'm probably way overthinking it. I'm gonna check, and then I'll check back in with you guys. And I'm gonna go see what everybody's doing, because I've been in my room for like an hour. Yeah. So, I don't know. I just found Suicide Boy, and I am dying. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I don't even know what it is. I don't normally like that kind of music, like in that genre, but I've been feeling it lately, and now I just can't get over it. Like, I still listen to all of my originals stuff, and, you know, like slow, depressing stuff, and, you know, all this, like, of this genre. I don't really know what to call it. It's not really like rapping, but like, I'm just gonna call it explicit music, because that's pretty much what it is. It just, like, the lyrics really hit you, like, they hit you, you know what I mean? Ew, that literally looks like a piece of bacon. I'm gonna erase that. Okay, anyways, I'm working on this project that's literally due tomorrow, and I just started it because I literally broke down in tears because I was stressed on how to do it, and I should have asked someone in that class how to do it, and I had someone in mind, but I just couldn't do it because I can't talk to her. But yeah, so I'm barely starting that, but I have my depiction of what I want it to be. It's not this exact thing, but it's something like this. Obviously it's gonna have things that I love, and like it's gonna have like music and like some other stuff, but something like that. So like I'm trying to depict that here. This looks like a piece of bacon. I'm gonna erase this entire part and restart it. But like it's like trees, and the back here is gonna be like an ombre type color, and then it's gonna have like music notes and stuff. And then this is what I'm listening to. I'm currently obsessing and binging listening to Suicide Boy because it's just amazing on 3,000 levels. That's what I'm doing right now. It's currently 7:10 and I'm stressing, and I have so much stuff that it's only going to be taken until Monday. And I mean, like, not so much stuff, but like just stuff that I literally, I don't know, I'm just stressed, and I just cannot wait for break. Like, oh my god, I cannot wait for break. She knows the sound of the camera, dude.
Why did she run away?
No, she looked up when I went.
Bruh. One of my new Tonys has a hole in it.